¿Qué tal everyone? Eduardo here from Mundo Joven. Do you ever wish you could show off your extensive knowledge of art history via emoji? Well, now you can! Some art nerds at the Cantor Fine Arts Gallery here in Los Angeles have created an entire catalog of art-centric emojis, and they've got them all. You've got your Van Goghs, you got your Georgia O'Keeffes, you even got some Yayoi Kusama in there. Yayoi Kusama. Of course, our favorites here at Mundo Joven are the ones modeled after Hispanic painters who are naturally better. These include ones like Frida, Picasso, and Dali. Dale, Dali, Dale, Dali. It's a badass fusion of art and pop culture that would make Andy Warhol proud. Oh yeah, Warhol. Look at that. There's even a Warhol. Huh, look at that. Wow, amazing. Yo, wanna come over? ? Jackson Pollock emoji. Unfortunately, these emojis aren't available for your phone just yet, but if you want to check them all out, you can go to Cantor Film Art's Instagram account. I will link it somewhere here. There, right there. Thanks for watching, and hasta luego.